Hello CraftDee family, and welcome to another video by She's So CraftDee. It's shopping Sunday and we are headed to our favorite store, the Dollar Tree, and this week they did not disappoint with lots of new fun arrivals. Now I'll be sharing all the new finds with you all so you know what to look out for on your next shopping trip. So let's dive in. I'm starting off at the front of the store. When I walked in, I saw these beautiful new tumblers. Look at the color. So these have that diamond cut pattern that's similar to what Starbucks sells, and they have them in new fall colors. Just look at all the really pretty detail in these, and all these come with the matching straw. These are only $1.25. Some more items that I have seen in the kitchen section for tumblers are these. So these are a plaid design that really look and embrace that fall theme. Really pretty. They do have a dish collection to match this as well. I'm still waiting for those to arrive, but you can pick up these insulated cups. Now look at these kitchen towels. Now the Simple Kitchen line has been one of my favorites lately, but look at this. There are 3 towels in this bundle for $1.25. I've never seen 3 towels for this price. Believe me, these sold out in just a matter of days, so I hope your Dollar Tree store gets these too. These were also in the kitchen section, and they're little kind of ribbed little glasses. Now, I'm not sure if they're drinking glasses, but I would definitely use something like this for a votive candle. They have these new containers with lids that come out that match the dish set that I featured last week. So they have the smaller version in a 2-pack and then the larger version in a single pack. And all of these do come with lids. Now this is the pumpkin one, and they also have the one with the fall leaves to match that dish set as well. So you can pick up both of these. And just a heads up, the pumpkin glass jars are back. Believe me, I grabbed a few of these for DIY crafts, so get them while they last. One fall item that I didn't see in weeks past is this one. So this is a Thankful and Grateful wood MDF decor. The quality on this is really nice with those thick acorns hanging. I just had to feature these. I don't know why it took so long for my store to get these, but they are so gorgeous. And this was a new arrival. These are little candle rings that you put at the bottom of large pillar candles. They're $1.25, and you guys, these are solid metal. So you can get them in a pumpkin design or this leaf design, and of course if they don't match your decor, you can always paint them. Now another thing, a heads up, the Dollar Tree does have an app, you guys. So if you see this, you want to scan it, that puts a price scanner on your phone since all the pricing has changed, and it's very convenient. Now these little votive holders were little new arrivals. Now I love these because they come in all of the fall colors, and you can see they have a really light iridescent finish to them, which is really nice. And they also had some new candles. Now they always have candles at the Dollar Tree, but this little swirl design jar was really pretty, and they had several different scents like orange and white currant and ivy. They even had this one that was peach sweet tea, which is really neat, so check those out. These are back. I've seen these in years past. These are the fall themed little candles, and they did have those scented as well. I love the little rope twine tied around it with a little metal charm. So cute for fall. I would love to use these in a centerpiece design with all of the pretty colors. This was new. I've never seen this odor eliminating candle. Now this is kind of like a lavender and vanilla ombre look. I think that these are brand new. I've never seen them at my store, so check those out. If you've been looking for the glitter LED battery operated candles, they are back this year. They always sell so quickly, and they just put these on the shelf as I walked in. Now the gold always sells out first in my stores, but they did have 4 of each one of these colors if you are looking for those. And I did see them put out a new tray of strand lights. These are the battery operated string lights. There's 10 lights in each of them with acorns and pumpkins or leaves. Now these are great because they are battery operated and convenient. And here's a little sample of what they look like all lit up. So you have those 3 to choose from in this collection. In the craft section, we've always seen these round signs, which I'm really glad that they have something like that, but something I've never seen before is the square one. This is the first time I've seen them at Dollar Tree stores in my area. I see so many craft possibilities with this square sign, and it's a generous size as well. So definitely something you want to add to your crafting stash. And here is another one of those acrylic boards. Now I've seen a larger one, but this one is like a 5x7 size. I've never seen this size. So I believe they're coming out with multiple sizes of these, and they have that frosted film on them to protect them, but they're absolutely clear to use as crafts. And check these out, new items in the craft section. These are the disco tiles. So this is the mini tiles, and then these ones are slightly larger. They're all just $1.25 a sheet. This was a new item to me in the crafting section. So this is like a craft paper envelope and card set. There's 10 pieces. I think that this gives that perfect handmade touch to greeting cards and gift cards. And I saw them in craft, and I did see them in an ivory color. So if you're looking for something like that, or you're a paper crafter, check those out. In the yarn section, they had some new chenille out. They have the red and the blue combinations. I've never seen these colors at my store. I just wanted to point those out, that those just arrived. In the party section, they have this really big centerpiece for happy birthday. The thing I love about Dollar Tree is their party items are so much cheaper than party stores, especially like this 3-piece backdrop. Now this backdrop is 61 inches tall, perfect for a door entryway, only $1.25. In the electronics, I always see bulbs, but this was new to me. So this is an LED multicolor bulb, and look, it has fairy lights inside the actual bulb. So that was very impressive to me. So you can get them in multicolor, or you can get them in soft white. And look at that power consumption. It'll cost you 7 cents a year to run these babies. So I think that this is such a great deal if you want to add something a little different to your space. Did you guys know that Dollar Tree has single packs of boxer briefs for boys? This was the first time I've seen them. So they have them in sizes from small to extra large. These are only $1.25 a piece. Now they didn't stop there. They also have the tank top. So these are the ribbed tanks, you guys, also from sizes small up to extra large. Being $1.25, these are such a bargain deal. We know how fast the kiddos run through these types of things. They didn't stop there. They did include the ones for the men. So these are the men's sizes, also from small to extra large, in both the boxer briefs and the tank tops. Now, if you don't need these are great to pick up to give to shelters or those in need. I'm always looking at the undergarments and the gloves and the socks. There's such a great deal to give away and help those who need them. Now check out these socks, brand new socks. Every week the Dollar Tree comes out with a new line, and I found all these new Yellowstone themed socks. I've never seen these before. So if you are wanting to collect some socks, whether it be Yellowstone, Games of Thrones, there is a lot of different styles at the Dollar Tree, and I was really impressed. Every week I come in there and I'm just so surprised at what they have. They even have Ghostbuster socks, you guys. Wow, I am very impressed. Now, if you like different character socks or things like that from TV shows, cartoon shows, they had some Betty Boop back there in the background. They even had Star Trek socks. So look at that. They even have the puff. I mean, come on, so much fun. Christmas is coming. You need stocking stuffers. You want to give little gifts, even gag gifts. I think that these would be so much fun to give away. They even had some down at the bottom. They were just so overwhelmed with so many at this particular store. And I usually find these either on an end capped or a cluster of other socks. Sometimes they're kind of hidden. And, you know, I love to go up and down the aisles at least twice because I'm sure there's something I always miss. So that's a good thing to keep in mind when hunting. Now, this is another new item. These are the Fuzzy Baba brand slippers, so thick and so quality. Oh my goodness, I was surprised to find these, and they were only $1.25. In the health and beauty, look at this huge value pack of makeup sponges. There are 20 assorted sponges in this pack. These did not last but only a day at my store. They sold out so really quickly. If you're looking for those, you want to grab them when you see them. They also have some new items with the Power Stick Brazilian Mist brand. We've seen the body sprays, but now I'm finding things like the shower gel. So they are expanding the line with this fragrance, which is really impressive. If you're looking for more health and beauty type items, they have a lot of different things like, you know, those conditioning masks for your face. They also have this one. This one is actually like a face moisturizer. The Global Beauty Care line is really expanding. They have so many different items online and items that they included at the Dollar Tree. So here's one. They have the facial cleanser. They also have this one, which is the exfoliating facial polish. And all of these come in your favorite fruity scents. Now here's another set that I saw. This one has several items like this daily facial wash. This was one that I've seen people buy a whole lot. And they also have this one, which is a balancing toner mist. They have so many different items that you could use. And again, if you're wanting to gift these or put a basket together, all of these little items are so great to add. And then they also have these. These are the daily cleansing wipes. I don't know how many times a day I have to cleanse my face because I just love that fresh feeling, and these are perfect. Now, I've been on a hunt for these for a while. These are those cocoa butter jelly sticks, and then they have the other one, which is the body balm. Great for those rough spots like heels and elbows. A thumbs up for this product. I love it. Now, if you love fingernail polish, the OPI brand is at the Dollar Tree. I know I was surprised too to see this. You don't hardly ever see this brand here because it is a name brand. What they're selling is smaller bottles in a 2-pack at the Dollar Tree for $1.25. And I love this because you can get a larger variety of colors without spending too much money and investment in just one color. So they had several collections with a mix and match of different colors. So you can actually expand your collection without having to invest too much money. The LA Colors has a set too, and these are more catered towards the glow in the dark. Since Halloween is coming, they have these little tips that they have collections here. They also have the stickers and the nail decals to go along with them in this set. Now, speaking of Halloween, if you're looking for glow in the dark, they did have glow in the dark brands as well. See all these beautiful colors? I think these would be so fun to accent in a costume or a night out. So look for those on an end cap. In the pet section, look what I spotted. So they have these little drinks like Dr. Pupper, Mountain Chew, and Pupsy. I love the take that they have on these to fit the pet animals. So I think that those would be really neat. In the food section, I found another Pacific Foods brand thing. This is the Thai sweet potato soup. You guys, this at the store is almost 3 times as much as it is for the Dollar Tree. So check it out. Now, there was just a few Halloween items that I did spot that I wanted to feature, and one of them were these tumblers. They had 3 different styles, you guys, and look, these are so cute. And if you flip it over, it has a light at the bottom. So you're adding that little light to all of the decorations on there. I think that is just so neat. They had some decor, like if you're having a party or gathering. They had a lot of bowls for Halloween as well. And you can see that these are kind of engraved with spider webs and spiders all over them. And they have them in that smoky black and also this really deep red color. So you could use these in crafts, just stack 2 on top of each other, put lights inside and decorate your yard, or just use them for food or candy for your occasion. They have trays to match each one of them, and they have them both in that black color and that deep red burgundy color. They all do come with that etched in spider web and spider design, so you can kind of match them all together and then put out things for a party, or again, you can DIY with these to make something really neat. Here's some more bowls that I saw for Halloween. Now this one is the ghost And then they have the one with the jack-o'-lanterns, and the last one is the spider web. They usually come out with these in different seasons of the year. This is the first time I've seen them in a Halloween theme, so I think that that is really, really neat. So now we're going to walk over to the plus section. There's a few things I wanted to feature, but first, last week I featured red and black 5-pound rolls of yarn. Now they have blue and green and ivory. So I've seen a total of 5 different colors for these 1-pound rolls. I think that is so awesome for $5. I also saw these baskets for $3. Now I've seen something similar there without the handles on the side, but this is the first time I'm seeing the ones with the handles, and for $3, these are a really great deal. Now I loved these ribbed pillows in green, but today I saw the ones that have like a braided look. I've never seen that braided look. So I saw them in multiple colors like black, gray, and I even saw some navy blue. These are so soft and plush, and they're only $5. And look at these little dinosaur plushies. I love these. So I love that they're kind of a knit fabric instead of the furry fabric, because it makes them so much easier to clean. Now they did have 3 different styles of these in 3 different colors. I think that they're just so super cute. Now if you wanted to use these like for toys for play or something like that, I think they would be great. There's no loose parts and pieces that can fall off, so they would be great for the little ones. And again, there's 3 different ones, and they're only $5 a piece. Now last week I bought this little $3 lantern, but this week I saw a $5 version that's probably more than double the size. I wish I had seen this one first, but in comparison you could see how much larger the $5 one is, and these are wood. Definitely a great buy. Now, if you missed my shopping video last week featuring even more fun finds at the Dollar Tree, check it out now by clicking the link in the upper right-hand corner of this video, or click the link provided in the description box below. Now, I do hope you guys enjoyed coming along with me on this shopping trip today, and if you want to see the items I've created with my Dollar Tree supplies, you can check out my Dollar Tree Crafts playlist with hundreds of items that will inspire you to get creative too. Now, before I go, I just wanted to say thank you for sticking around to the end. Now, last month I featured these awesome 2-tier trays that come in 3 different styles from the Dollar Tree, and I did pick up a few extra for a giveaway. Now, I'm going to be giving away one of these trays in your choice of a leaf, a pumpkin, or a round ring topper to one lucky winner. Now, it's really easy to enter this giveaway. First, just leave a comment below answering this question. Now, what were your top 3 favorite items in this video? Now, this contest will close on Tuesday, September 3rd at 11:59 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, so be sure to comment before this time. Now, most importantly, make sure you are subscribed and have your notifications turned on so you won't miss the notification if your comment is selected as the winner. Now, since some of the winners of my past drawings haven't claimed their prizes, I will draw 3 finalists, and the first to respond and confirm your entry will win the prize. Now, be sure to check back on Wednesday, September 4th to see if you are selected by checking my top pinned comment in the comment section, and I will also respond directly to your comment if you are the winner. Now, to confirm you understand this, leave a fall leaf emoji or the words fall leaf in the comment along with your answer to today's question to be entered into the drawing. Now, it's important to know that this contest is not sponsored by YouTube, and we are solely responsible for conducting the contest and delivering the prize to the winner. So please be sure to read the full list of rules in the description box below to make sure you meet all of the requirements for a valid entry. I wish each and every one of you good luck in the contest today. Listen, if you love shopping at Dollar Tree as much as I do, let me know by giving this video a thumbs up and leave me a comment letting me know your most exciting find at Dollar Tree this week. Make sure you don't miss a video by subscribing and hit that bell to be notified when we go live. It doesn't cost a thing. Thank you all so much for watching, and I will see you all next time.